So just outside of the apartment, I mean, right here on the right hand side, you got Truffle and Company, and they have a nice, looks like they have a set lunch going on during the weekdays. So $2.99 set per person, 2-course meal. And then on the other side is this is a coffee shop, Fei La. Nice camping style chairs out here, and you can relax, get a cold brew, get some nice good Vietnamese coffee. Yeah. So I mean, this is the hood. There's a VIB bank just across with the ATM. Again, Annam Gourmet, we talked about that as the international cuisine going on. It's another restaurant here. And in this neighborhood, we have tons of service apartments here. Phu My Hung is, I mean, really started with these apartments and service apartments. A lot of Japanese and Korean clients move here as well. You know, taking short business trips, 3 months or so. We got the vegan restaurant here. That's interesting. So Dawson Bang, that's the vegan restaurant. That's really cool. Good to know. And there's more villas that's located down here. More villa houses for rent. Are you planning your move to Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam? Contact us at SaigonCribs.com. We are the only agency that works in every single district of Ho Chi Minh City. Most other agents only work in one building or one neighborhood, but we're the only agency that works in the entire city. That means we can put together a custom search to show you all of your options that are available in the areas that are close to your job or close to where you want to start your new business. Contact us at Saigon Cribs. Xin chào. So yeah, so this is the parking lot for all the motorbikes, all the cars. Yes, sir. Xin chào. We got the smart box. So this is a good place. You know, you can either send something to someone, like if you want to hand something over, documents and keys, you can just rent one of these boxes. You scan right on your phone, open the box, put it in, and then put the phone number of whoever you want to pick it up. So that's actually very convenient, smart box there. So I'm gonna go to the other side and show you what the other side is looking like in this community. So stay tuned. Say yeah, we got a space for rent. Hello. We got the DHL right here. So that's kind of convenient. We're shipping some stuff. This is a fruit juice type of spot. Singapore restaurant here. I told you we got Domino's pizza here. It's just crazy. So this road is full of international restaurants. Right here we got the Vietnamese restaurant, which is really nice. We got the Hue Tu Nam Vang. We got the Gum Tam spot down there. Really cool. This is how they're delivering the pizzas, by the way, by motorbike. Got the boxes on the back of the bike. Go ahead and load them up and get them out. Load them up, get them out. I used to work for Domino's Pizza years ago, back in my high school days. Got the Pierre Cardin, get your suit. So I want to show you a bit. We have more service apartments over there, even some that are pet friendly. So if you're moving and you're looking for a pet friendly service apartment under $600, $700, easy can find here. Got the K market, that's your Korean market there. Mandarin learning, oh, is this the Chinese? Oh, interesting, okay. Tokyo Deli, that's actually one of my favorites, Xin Chao. Actually one of my favorites. Our Frescoes is here. They got everything here. So, Xin Chao. Parkview Apartments, Pizza Company. I mean, look, everything is here. Everything is here. We got the delivery trucks here too. Lots of coffee shops down this boulevard here as well. More, you know, cafe shops, all kinds of different shops. A lot going on. Printer shops. Chagi, I don't know this one. It's a new brand to me. Chagi. We got the Popeyes over on that side. So, I mean, if you're coming over here from America, you know, you got everything that you pretty much need. They got a Korean spot, beer pub over there. Nice fine casual dining restaurant here called Seoul. So really nice spots here. Got your bakery, got the Vietnamese pho. Yeah. More apartments are here as well for rent at Mekong, and then we have the warehouse. Get your wine, one of my favorite spots. We got Texas chicken. We have the Chang, the Thai restaurant, which was actually on the other location. I wonder if this is their second location or if they moved. You know, more spots and diners down there. I think that's Eddie's. Yeah, Eddie's diner is down there. So a lot going on over here. When you go all the way down to the end of the road, there's a traffic light that takes you to the highway, which you can go towards District 1 or go to the other side of District 7, District 4, or whatever. So you got that. Got your eyeglass shop there. Ooh, got a fancy porch there. I like that color. Nice. So let's take you around. Now in Phu My Hung, they have tons of these small parks and paths that you can go through to cut through to the other side instead of walking around the whole block. So they got tons of those. Another one there. So tons of these little paths that you can take. Big. It's getting this back scratch. Look at mine. Gotta do what you gotta do. And so this side, as you come into the community, you know, you have the main road. And look at big construction here. You got the main road where you got those apartments, you got the schools and big buildings. And then when you enter the community, you're coming back into this nice, like, suburban neighborhood over here with all of these beautiful villas. This is a compound street. I don't know if we came to this street. I think we did. Is that the same house? Let me see. No, it's not the same house. It's not the same road that I was on before. But yeah, you got these cul-de-sacs where you can rent apartments as well. I mean, sorry, you can rent these villas, you can rent houses. So if that's something within your budget, you can definitely do that. I've had some people rent, and of course families. There's another nice coffee shop there. We have some families that rent these villas. We even had students rent the villa. They go in together, they share the cost, find a nice villa with a swimming pool. You know, it could be, what, $3,000-$4,000? But if it's split with 5 people, then, you know, a lot of college students have a budget of that anyway. So why not have your own pad? So yeah, just want to show a bit of the neighborhood. You got Circle K here 24 hours. So you could definitely get everything you need. This is the security box that I was talking about. Now, only in Phu My Hung, in this community, do they have their own independent security team, and it's only in Phu My Hung. And that's the security stations, also the monitoring cameras as well. It's all secured throughout the entire community, and that's actually part of the management fee. It's actually included because all of Phu My Hung is connected as far as the community is concerned. So as far as, oh my gosh, look at this G joint, nice with the V8. Hiya, oi Zoe, oi. So look, another nice, charming cafe shop. Like, first of all, in Saigon, in Vietnam, coffee shops are everywhere. Everywhere. Got a car wash spot. Your spot nice and clean. Boom Ba, that's the spot. Vietnamese Boom Ba. Really cool. Ciao. Okay, so we're back to this boulevard that we passed, and as you can see, I mean, it's like tons of different shops and businesses. Of course, you got your coffee shops, pho restaurants, and things of that nature. So local food, and it's really, really quaint. My last video I was talking about land for rent. So, you know, you can open a business by renting the land and then open your own shop, either build a construction or do an open air type concept. It's a supermarket here, this Japanese style of curry, yes, and Sushi World is attached to that, and the Aeon City Mart. We got 24/7 7-Eleven. Yep, always open. So that's right in the community, right behind the apartment buildings here. This is another wine spot, Red Apron. Interesting. What is Ocean Essence? Harmony, in harmony with the sea. What does that even mean? What do you do? Okay, this is another one of our luxury apartments here. Yeah, so I mean, this is a great place if you're coming into town. You get one of our service apartments here. You can rent for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, is up to you. So a good spot to have like some short term. What's up, Birdie? He's just grilling. Let's see, we got nails, massage, eyelashes, so the spa for the ladies. You know, you got that here. Other restaurants as well. This is Hue 2, Vietnamese noodle, one of my favorite noodles as well in Vietnam. The Hue 2 is delicious. They even have the Hue 2 wonton, which is Hue 2 with like the Chinese dumplings. Yummy! Yummy! They even got a plastic surface spot here. Interesting. Really, really fancy over here. Really, really fancy. So yeah. It's nice. There's another camera, right? More monitoring cameras. So, and I think this is another Hue 2 spot, but you're gonna pay a little bit more. As you can see, it's not as full as the other one, but it's a premium Hue 2. And back to the Saigon. So yeah, I mean, this is a story of one student who was walking home from school, and there's lots of schools over here. I don't know where it was, but say hypothetically it was in this area. And the student's walking home, had an expensive iPhone, which a lot of the kids out here do. You know, a lot of rich kids. And one guy who was a thief, like a phone snatcher, came and snatched the phone from the child and took off, right? And what had happened was the child was able to get attention to someone, and they were able to call the security right away. And they were able to track where the location of the phone was taken and where they thought that the thief on the motorbike was going to be heading. And then they got the description of the bike, they found the bike, and were able to stop the bike by controlling the traffic lights, keeping the light red, and had security approach them, and they were able to get the phone back from the child. And there's no other community in Ho Chi Minh City that has that level of security. This is a main security office right here. Speaking of the devil, there is a security right there, and they monitor the entire community as a whole. So each individual apartment building has their own security. Every one of these buildings have their own security team, right? On top of that, you have the independent security team that monitors the entire Phu My Hung community. So this is the safest community for your kids. They can come out here and play and ride their bikes, you know, and all of those things. So it's really, really safe. And years ago, you know, that was really, really important. You know, now as overall, Ho Chi Minh is a much safer city. There's way less of, you know, phone snatchers and purse snatchers than there was before. I mean, it's almost obsolete now. So that was, you know, a very vital security team that, you know, years ago it was necessary. Whereas now it's just a pleasant thing to have, or just added assurance, but it's not, you know, as big as it was before. So just an FYI on that, and that's really, really, really important. Really, really important. So yeah, this got the health store. Get your herbs, get your protein. Yeah, we got a lot going on over here. There's a Starbucks coffee over there. Just caught that next to the Toulajour. I think Toulajour is a French brand, if I'm right. So we got the Starbucks coffee. We also have Shenzhen Bank. FYI, go to Shenzhen Bank if you want to withdraw. Go to their ATMs if you wanted to withdraw a lot. I think it's around $300, where most ATMs only allow one time around $150 roughly. So the Shenzhen banks, Citibank, I think Techcom Bank, those banks will allow you to withdraw a larger amount of money, you know, per time if you need to get out a lot of cash and don't want to pay multiple fees and stuff like that. Yeah. All right, so that's a tour of the neighborhood, and so happy that the client has moved in. They found the perfect apartment. They really wanted to be in the midst of the community where they were staying at the Riviera, which is a really awesome apartment, very luxury style, but it's a little disconnected from the community. And with them having two small kids, you know, they really want to be close to other people, close to other families with kids, so they can play with other kids and stuff like that. Also be close to restaurants. You can kind of just walk out your door and find something really nice to eat, or go to the shop, or do something like that, instead of having to take a taxi every time that you wanted to go out, right? Now they can walk to a lot of places instead of having to take a taxi everywhere. So this has been a very successful case for us, and really, really happy. This is the second time that they've used our service. So thank you to you, Mr. Max, and your family for using Saigon Cribs. So if you're looking for a spot to move, hit me up. This is Saigon Cribs. Check out our next video of this tour here in Phu My Hung. You're gonna like it.